Wow, Spider-Man crawling. Wow. On the water, Spider-Man. Wadidaw. Wow. Amazing Spider-Man. Wow. Look at Spider-Man with his long guns. Amazing. Wadidaw. Wow. Let's go looking for guns. Wow. In the grass, there is 3 guns. Wow. This is long soft gun. Amazing. Wow, yellow soft gun. Wadidaw. Very good. Wow. Red shotgun. Amazing. Wow, let's go. Follow me, please. Wow. What is that? Wow. Good gun. Wow. Wadidaw. Red gun. Wow. This is very interesting. Wow. Let's go. Follow me, please. Like a sword. Wow, this is sword. Long sword. Let's go. Wow. Dino with handscap. Wow. Dino is enemy. Wow, but this Dino cute. Wadidaw. Wow. 2 handscap. Orange handscap. Wow. On the coconut tree. This is blue shotgun. Wow, amazing. Let's go. Looking for guns. Wow. In the spinach. Wow. Amazing Spider-Man mask. Wow, and softball guns. Wow. Amazing softball guns. Wadidaw. Let's go. Follow me. Wow. It's very good long gun. Best gun. Let's go. Follow me, please. In the spinach. Wow. Spinach tree. Wow. Best gun Spider-Man. Wow. Wow, this is Nerf gun. Super gun. Wow. Very good gun. Wadidaw, let's go. But so, wow. I find shotgun also. Wow. Gun cute. Wadidaw. Let's go. Follow me, please. For looking guns. Wow. This is fire gun. Yes. It's fire gun. Wow. Amazing gun. Wadidaw. Wow. Look at. Okay, close. Close. Wow. I get 2 long guns. Wow, this is blue long gun. Very good long guns. Wow, I put on my basket. Wow. It's amazing also. Wow. Wow, long gun. Please subscribe my video and share to your friend. Thank you.